Emifenac 50 DT effervescent tablets are a prevalent choice for pain relief, particularly for ailments such as toothaches, headaches, and nerve pain. A pack contains 20 tablets, priced at 23.35 SAR, and can be purchased from a nearby pharmacy with the option for delivery within 30 to 60 minutes. Buyers have the ability to exchange or return this product if necessary. This medication is notable for its rapid dissolution in water, making it effective quickly. It is a potent non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, that works by curbing the substances in the body responsible for inflammation and pain. The active component of Emifenac tablets is diclofenac, which is widely recognized for its capability to treat a variety of conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, fever, severe headaches, migraines, gout, spine pain, and menstrual pain, among others. It is also used after surgeries, particularly dental or orthopedic, due to its pain-relieving properties. To use, dissolve 1 tablet in a quarter glass of water and consume immediately after it dissolves, preferably an hour post-meal to minimize stomach side effects. The standard dosage is 25 to 50 milligrams 3 times a day, with a maximum of 150 milligrams daily. While the dental-specific version is priced at 18.85 SAR, prices can fluctuate based on availability across different pharmacies. If Emifenac is unavailable, other alternatives like Cataflam, Adiaflam, Dalvic K, or Fastflam can be considered. Typically, Emifenac begins to relieve pain within 20 to 30 minutes. The primary benefits of using Emifenac include its ability to target extensive pain areas including joint, muscle, and back pain. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential side effects, primarily stomach-related issues. While the medication aids in ailments such as sinusitis, dental pain, surgery-related pain, and sore throats, it is not recommended for hemorrhoids. For pregnant or breastfeeding women, usage should be prescribed by a physician due to potential risks, especially in the later stages of pregnancy.